तोंगे मेना अमरावती रेन एमपी नवनीत राना और महाराष्ट्र सरकार मुद्रे काथाते रंग और नोआ मुद्रेगे तालमा सरकार देशद्रोह और इदिकाते दोढ़ा गापालमाराव रेना काथा होइले आकादा उनाते सुप्रीम कोर्ट नोआ अनरी हपित हातार रेना आंदे एमाकादाय देशद्रोह अनरी इदिकाते तालमा सरकारा दोढ़ा बिचारे सगुंदाराम आकादा नवनीत राना उना साउते महाराष्ट्र पनत सरकार चेतान रे आफुद आकादाय जे उद्भव ठाकरे मन कुसी कमिए दाय और हर को एटके टोड़े दाय गिड़िए कोआ और नोआ होय लेले ताहेना जे आज तेरी बारी काल हमारी बारी जरूर आएगी मेन दो तेहेन आमा दाव काना मेनखान गापा दो इना दाव जरूर हिजुआ
How it should work. Certain of if somebody is talking against of some government, they are putting this offence on them. They are putting them on behind the bar. I think I am very happy and congratulations to Prime Minister, the Home Minister and the Law Minister who is taking steps ahead to work against what British government has bought in this India. I think this is the very big step has taken by the central government, and whenever this offence is coming in the parliament, we are going to be against this offence.
Ma'am, notice issued against Lilavati Hospital.
See, I'll tell you one thing, the notice issued to Lilavati, it is very injustice to the doctors and the faculty and the sister's brother who were standing there. I was seeing that press conference and I was feeling very sad and I was feeling like, what is this happening in Maharashtra? Because the way Uddhav Thackeray is working in which mind level, I think it is totally against humanity. And the way they were questioning one compounder who is asking a doctor how you treated Navneet Rana, what MRI report came, and whether she did MRI or whether it was a photo session. I think Uddhav Thackeray has no rights to ask anybody's personal issue, what they have got treated in the hospital and what is the work related with BNC and hospital. If I was there in under trial, if they would have asked a question to the jailer and superintendent, that was a very different issue. If I would have come under trial to some hospital, they have all the rights to ask in what illness she's come to the hospital and got admitted.
And ma'am, what do you comment on BMC notice?
See, I'll tell you one thing. Everybody is seeing the notice. It is against whoever talking against Uddhav Thackeray and his corruption. He is having all the powers and he is misusing that power in Maharashtra. The way Uddhav Thackeray is working, I just can tell you him only one thing. आज तेरी बारी है तो कल हमारी जरूर आएगी.
You are going to perform Maha
Yes, on 14th of this month, 14th Uddhav Thackeray is taking a big rally and sabha in Maharashtra. So against that, the sankat has come to my Maharashtra. वो दूर होना चाहिए करके I am taking a Maha Aarti on 14th. और we all are going and doing the Aarti there, and just wanted to ask one question to Uddhav Thackeray ji. On 14th of this May, I have just asked him one question. When he wants some chair, when he wanted that chair, he fought and he backstabbed BJP. I have asked him when you are so much behind the chair, whether you are going to contest. If you want chair, you should contest. Come to public, work for them, do seva for them, and then contest. If you are contesting, please announce on 14th of this May when you are taking a rally, and in same constituency, I am going to contest against you.